no visible fossils. All the life forms have been microscopic, and they only every once in a while found evidence of life when those microscopic one-cell creatures had piled up so many on top of each other that they created some matting or some patterns that the geologists recognize as life. But when they got to rock that was of this age, they almost called it an explosion. They found so many in such a short change of time, so many new forms of life you could see. It was the first forms of multicellular life that was visible with the naked eye. And those fossils made the Cambrian era, the Cambrian period, very famous. Some other names that go in this era, names of periods, include the Ordovician, Devonian, Silurian, Carboniferous, and the Permian. These are all names of different periods, each having specific finds, geology finds associated with those names over those places, specific fossils that made them popular. I can guess that the Silurian period right here corresponds with the age of fishes. So this Silurian period must have had lots of fossils. So it was the first time that they found fossils of what we could identify as fish, or things that look like fishes we have today. There's another word here that just from the word itself sounds like it might be an interesting time to study. This word is the Carboniferous period. And it's based on this idea of carbon. And this was the period of time when all of the carbon that provides us with fuel today, when you may have heard of people talking about using carbon fuels, all of those carbon fuels, the carbon for all those fuels, was laid down at this period of time. All of the coal deposits that we find, and much of the oil and natural gas deposits can date back